Gabby, welcome back to TaylorToned YouTube channel. Today I have for you a 10-minute all standing HIIT workout. We have 10 exercises. Each exercise is 45 seconds on, followed by a 15-second rest. There's going to be a timer at the top of the screen so you can see how far you are into each exercise. And I'll also pop the name of the exercise down below at the bottom of the screen. I'll be providing the modified low impact version on the screen too. If you've got any feedback or comments after the workout, drop them down below in the comment section. Let's get straight into today's workout. First thing we're going to do is jump up to the ceiling, tap down to the floor just with your right hand. In 2, in 1, go. Reach up, tap down. So you're just going to reach to the ceiling with this right hand and tap all the way down towards the floor. Tap down. We have 45 second cycles followed by a 15-second breather. And don't forget, if you want the modified version, it's going to be on the screen for you. Reach up, tap down. Keep going, all the way up, all the way down. Those legs are burning already. Keep going, reach up, tap down. We've got another 15 more seconds here left to go. Up, tap the floor. Just that right hand working. You've got 10 more seconds here. And then we're gonna go all the way into some jumping. Up, down, 2, and 1. Break there. Give those legs a quick shake off. Next up, we're just going to take some bounce jumps. So they're going to be on the screen, roundabouts now. So just bouncing up and down in 3, in 2, 1, go. So just want you to bring those heels. I'm going to go siding so you can see a little bit off the floor. So just bouncing up and down. Nice deep breaths in. Nice deep breaths, exhale away. Keep on jumping. The higher you get those heels up and away from the floor, the more intense this is going to be. So this is a good workout for getting your heart rate nice and high, getting into that calorie burning zone. Change your body. 15. Keep on bouncing. 10 more seconds. Keep jumping up and down. You have this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and break. Next up, we're just going in some jumping jacks. Every time you break, make sure you take nice deep breaths. Get the energy levels back up. We're going in 2, 1, go. So now we're gonna go jumping jacks, 45 seconds. We have this. You want to keep your energy levels or try and keep them nice and high. Give me everything. You switched this HIIT workout on for a reason. You're aiming to get that heart rate high, so keep pushing through. We have this. 15 more seconds here. Left we go. Jumping jacks. We've got it. 10, 6, 4, 2, 1. Okay, next up we've got that reach. Then we're going to tap down to the left side. Deep breath in. Deep breath exhale. We can do this in 3, in 2, 1. Go. So I like to put this other hand on my waist. You do whatever you want to do. Reach, tap down. Reach, tap down. Now the more you bend your knees, the deeper you're going to get into your legs, the more it's going to burn because you're going all the way down to the floor and all the way back up again. Keep on going. Up, down. 15 more seconds here. Left to go. We've got it. After this, we are just going to do some heel kicks. Kicking our glutes. 5 more seconds left to go. And then we are into heel kicks. 2, 1. Well done. Breather. Oh, it's a tough one today. We're going to go side on so you can see. That next exercise on the screen now. We're going in 3, in 2, 1. Go. So you're just bringing your heels towards your butt. So you kick yourself in the booty. So you can go a little faster. We can do this. Let's get that dream body. How many calories can we melt today? How much fat can we burn in this workout? We've got it, 20 more seconds here, left to go. And then we are halfway through. Don't forget, if you've got any feedback, pop it down below, but only at the end of the workout. 10 more seconds. We've got it. Draw those heels in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, everyone, we are halfway through. We're gonna repeat that whole thing all over again. So we're reaching and tapping to the right in 5 seconds. Deep breath, 3, 2, 1. If you want a little deeper workout, Gabby, this is far too easy for me. Lower the hips. The lower you get those hips down to your heels, the more you're gonna burn those thighs out. Just your right arm. Do a little boogie ride now. Like it is Saturday Night Fever. We've got it. I'm burning so much right now. You have another 15 more seconds left to go. We've got it. Up, down, 10 more seconds. Push through. We can all do this. 5, 3, 2, 1. Well done, break there. We're going into those bounces next. So it's just like a little funny rabbit bounce on the floor. In 3, in 2, 1, go. So you're just jumping literally up and down. If you want to bring the heels behind like that, make it a little bit harder, you can. Keep on going. Make sure you bend your knees. We've got it. I love HIIT so much, 45 seconds on 15-second breather, because the 15-second breather lets you relax, but your heart rate is still high, so you're still burning calories. It's like you're tricking your body. Even though you're not working those 15 seconds, your heart is still pumping and burning calories. Give me another 10 more seconds. Left. You got it. 5, 4, 3, 2. Great. Next up, jumping jacks. That's a favourite of mine. Love throwing them in all of my HIIT workouts. In 4, 3, 2, 1, go. We're gonna create a big star. Like you're in the snow outside. We're making snow angels. 15. We got 30, sorry, more seconds left to go. Just trying to trick you. Make sure you're still concentrating. We've got it, 20 more seconds. Bend those knees, open the arms up. Let's do this, 15 more seconds. And then we've got that reach in the tap. Oh, 10. 5, 3, 2, 1. Oh, burn it real. Next up, we're gonna jump, tap to the left. Can I get through it? I think so. And go. Just about. So, I'm not jumping so high because I want to stay in my camera shot. I don't want to get too high out of our shot, but I want you at home. You're trying to touch the ceiling. You're trying to get your hand on the ceiling. Maybe you're trying to escape through the roof from this workout. Leave me alone, Gabby. I don't want to burn any more calories. We do! 15 more seconds. One more option after this. And then you have done so well. Your 10-minute HIIT is over after one more exercise. 3, 2, 1. Okay, we've got those heel kicks coming up last. So we're gonna kick ourselves in the butt in 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Last set, last exercise. We can do it. 30 more seconds here. Left to go. Join those heels are nice and tight. How high can you get that heart rate to finish off your workout today? You have all done so well. Give me another 15 more seconds. Now cardio burst it. Go as fast as you can. Heels to glutes. 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And well done everybody in your 10-minute HIIT workout. Well done in your HIIT workout today. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and I will see you again next time. Head back to my channel homepage if you want more workouts that are all equipment free and follow along. See you again next time. Bye.